Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's Saturday, April 10. We are at the Bounce House at UCF for the 2021 spring game. The first spring game with new head coach Gus Malzahn. Yes,
Gus Bus.
we are on the Gus Bus. We'll be getting you a lot of footage during the spring game. So yeah, we're here. It's an awesome morning. Beautiful weather, you can see.
Gorgeous.
Not a bad cloud in the sky. And there is the Bounce House.
And there's a nice breeze, which helps with the heat.
Yep. So, well, that's it from here. We'll see you once we're inside.
Bye!
All right, here we are in the Bounce House. First time sitting in the Carl Black and Gold Cabana. We're down on the third row, right on the 40-yard line. Getting ready for today's spring game. Be starting in about 55 minutes. And there's Sharon. As you can see, we're all decked out and ready for a great spring game. And off there in the distance, in the opposite corner of the field, that's where our season tickets are at, section 204. And we have the seat backs on our seat, and you can see them sitting right up there, ready for us to come this fall. Those seat backs have been there for 3 years, and we are going to keep them as long as we keep coming. And yes, there it is, the 2017 National Championship banner.
Woohoo! Totally. That's inside. Boogie, Steve. Boogie. There we go.
At the UCF spring game, the team is on the field. Oh, one thing I just noticed is on the backs of their jerseys, a lot of them have their Twitter handle. Well, that's a cool idea. Oh, there's Coach Malzahn right there. Right there in the middle. The one walking away with a visor on, with a white visor.
He's going like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gabriel's pass is complete to number 88, Jay Pescott. Gain of 5, 75.
No, oh, that's not. There you go.
Gabriel's pass is complete to number 4, Ryan O'Keefe. A gain of 15. Daniel McCullen on the tackle. '24, Anticius Thompson on the carry, gain of 6 to the 50. Tackle by number 42, Cole Joyce. 3rd and 13. Gabriel's pass is complete to number 3, Brandon Johnson. Tackled by number 49, Daniel McCullen. It's another UCF
First down.
I don't think his RPO is going to be
Touchdown, Black Team. Number 44, R.J. Harvey on the carry. Jones's pass is complete to number 2, Aiden Robinson.
Nice footwork.
Number 4, Ryan O'Keefe on the end around.
Nice slide.
Gabriel takes off and slides to the 9-yard line. Good on the carry. Brought down by Landon Woodson and Tatum Platoon. Gain of 3. Third down. Kings passes to number 2. Touchdown. Gabriel's pass is complete to number 3, Brandon Johnson. He reaches the 17-yard line, gain of 13. First down. Touchdown, Knights. 1, first down. Gabriel's pass is complete to number 3, Brandon Johnson. Gain of 19 and another UCF. Navarro's pass is incomplete, intended for Marius Good. Flag on the play. Jones's pass is complete to number 85, Zach Marsh-Logan. Logan reaches the 43-yard line. Gain of 18. 5, Johnny Richardson on the carry. Navarro on the keeper. He reaches the 5-yard line. Thank you so much for joining us here in the Bounce House for the 2021 UCF Football Spring Game.